You searched how to buy shares of Agronomics Limited, a company investing in cellular agriculture and cultivated protein ventures. It is listed on the LSE under the ticker ANIC.L, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker ANIC.L to locate the listing. Select the result that specifically shows Agronomics Limited to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it matches Agronomics Limited. Check the market details and listing information to verify this is the correct ANIC.L entry. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the trade executes or the order fills. For more information and the example link, see the eToro link in the description.